What?
We love how smooth he is.
He is looks smooth. The dog thing. Sully!
You're not afraid he'll run away?
Gab's got hold of him. I want Sully over here.
Make sure Snuggles doesn't get too close because he's blind.
Sully, come here. Bring him up to the patio a bit more. But maybe not on the...
Come here.
Oh boy, look how good he is. I love him. You're alright. Come on. Want some water?
Sully, come on.
Come on.
Hey, look. Chester doesn't want to go on the patio and Sully doesn't want to go on the...
I know. Well, Sully's afraid of the electric fence. But Sully knows he can come over here. Sully, come on. Come on, Sully.
So happy.
Come on. Come say hello to the horse.